Hello guys, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, I've just decided to do a compilation of the bets that I've did in my previous days, in my previous weeks. These are some of the orders that I did get. So I just decided to do a small recording, and I'm going to be sharing them with you. I hope you'll enjoy the video. So in this video, I'll be showing you different types of beds that I'm going to be transforming, and also you will get the chance to see the different designs that my clients decided to go with, and I'm going to be transforming them into my clients' designs. So watch the video till the end so that we can just see and enjoy how these beds are turns to. Anyway, if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, watching our videos, liking them and commenting on them. And if this is your first time clicking on our videos, feel much welcome in this space. Subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. So for this one, this was the first bed that I'm going to be transforming. And I started by showing you how the headboard looked like. The headboard, when I usually find a headboard that is a bit curved or it has some funny shapes, because most of these wooden beds have some funny shapes, I usually cut the headboard or cut the part that is curved and then add another headboard on it. But if you have seen how the videos have started, I know you have understood what I'm talking about. Anyway, I want to thank you for the 10k subscribers. I really do appreciate your continued support. Thank you for the 10k subscribers. Let us continue sharing the videos, let us continue liking them and commenting on them so that they can get recommended, and also share them with your friends and family, and I will really appreciate that. That is the only way you can support me, by subscribing to my channel, sharing my videos, liking them and commenting on them. And thank you so much. So my client wanted to do this design. As you have seen, I'm going to be showing you how the designs look like, and don't forget to tell me which design at the end of the video that you did like. My day 2 during this week. Just as by the way, I usually make 4 or 5 beds in a week. That is on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Each day I usually make one bed. So normally I usually do this transformation 1 day per bed. That is from morning hours till evening, late evening. So one bed takes me 1 full day to do this transformation. That is when I arrive there with all the materials and machines that I usually use. So this is bed number 2, day number 2. And each day I'm going to be showing you how this whole week was, all the beds that I did make during this 1 week. And I hope you will still enjoy the video. And make sure to tell me which bed you did like the most at the end of the video. This was day number 3, and this bed, that is bed number 2, the gray one that I've just made, and this one, these were for one client. This client had 2 beds, that is for her boy and the other one for her girl. So the gray one was for her boy, and this one that I'm going to be making, it was a bit purplish, it was for her girl. So these beds, I did make them in one place, that is at one client's home. And I usually go to my client's home because a lot of you have been asking me if I go to the clients or they bring the bed to my workshop. So basically I normally go with everything at client. So if you have watched this video till this far and you haven't liked it, kindly do so. Kindly like the video and don't forget also to comment on it. Tell me which was your favorite bed transformation in this video. So from this week onwards, I'll be uploading, I will start uploading videos showing you all the details, all the steps, all the materials that I usually use during this bed transformation. That is if you want to try something like this on your own. And if this is the kind of content that you like, don't forget also to hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more.